Hey guys, long time no see. Alright, so I finally got out and about today. For those of you who don't know, I rolled my pickup truck over, sadly, and totaled it, so I was without a vehicle for quite some time. But back in action, I got another vehicle, however that needed some work, so finally jumped over all those hurdles, got the car in decent shape, enough so that I can go out and travel here. And came to one of my favorite spots, not too far from home. And I wanted to bring you guys along. It's going to be a little noisy because of the waterfalls, but still absolutely beautiful. I'm going to try to be as quiet as I can so you can just listen to nature. Neat little old foundation here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Alright, we're almost down to the river. You can see some of the ski mountain up here in the background. This camera is definitely not doing any justice for the beauty of this place, but it's what I have to work with for right now. Just using my little camera phone. Alright, let's check it out further. Yes, we have to cross the river. Big deal. So I just want to pick a place that's not flowing too fast to cross. And this looks like a pretty good spot. I'm going to have to break through some of the ice here. There we go. Now I just broke through just so that I'm not fooling myself and thinking I can actually step on it, because I know it's not safe. So we just came from over there. There's the trail up there. Just a beautiful area. Alright, I'm going to put you on pause while I walk down here. Sorry guys, I didn't bring my selfie stick. Usually I use that. It helps keep some of the shaking down to hold my phone, but sorry I didn't bring that today, guys. Bear with me. You can see this tree got washed up. That was not there when I was fishing here this summer. I definitely do fish here. It's a great spot. Some of you might have seen my videos of me fishing here. Let's check this out. Wait. I'm gonna get down this far. There we go. Now we'll be able to see it a little better. Sorry for the dizziness, guys. There you go. Beautiful. Pretty neat with that tree up there, I think, kinda. Alright guys, I think I'm going to make a separate video of the falls down below. It's going to take me a while to make my way down there. Thanks so much for joining me. It's been great making a video again, guys. I missed you so much. Take care.